I went to my yams the other day. They are growing. So I approached one stem that is about microphone height. Mmuo. I was telling my Ndiichie about the Mmuo gaje. Oka Greek, Ikenga, Okanga Diji, Ndi Mmiri, Ndi Nnewai. I was telling all of them that they can see that the yam I planted to honor them is growing, but that this is just the first stage. I was saying that the yam will still mature and will be harvested. In that same vein, I see what they are doing for me. Over 6,000 new people follow me and love my content since we started this journey together. I've gotten offers that are worth a few $1,000s, which is crazy. I don't run out of ideas to create content joke. All fine and good, but just like their yam is just starting to grow. And this Omeji that I'm speaking to, I'm using to go more right now, we still go straight to the top with the stilts that we give it, that this is growth. We have targets and they are still a little far off. But I have no doubt that they'll execute and all get menanyora. I can't uchi afim. Uchi go there afim or mam uchi mulonwa. No matter how little the fire is, you can't tie it in a cloth. Obi adera mapomo. Nkwe emeli eke emele. Je tinye jina ni farm. Even if it's 4 mounds. Ancestors are in what are that language, how are the currency. I'm happy that a few people have messaged me saying that they will plant yams by themselves because of my pinned post. My ancestors are honored that you are honoring your ancestors due to my message. Whether you choose to pay me the minimum $300 to plant yams for you is secondary. Makano ubinwe Mmuo ko ubinwe mmadụ, who in turn is greater than ubinwe Igoo. It's getting late to plant yams. Still a little while left, but for contrast, my uncle's farm, whom I recorded for my first video in this journey, is already mature. Obobagu Fulu, Okago. Anoya Academy man until November. A man and G Tinyeta Akabuputa by that November and now I no be mate. Or Kanga. As I go more, he will dig some out for a region or 4 and leave the rest in the ground to balance even more. Akati. No wonder it's humongous yams. Planted since February when it was still dry and was watering them. Check my pin post for now an offer. And yeah, thanks for streaming Holy News. Thanks for the love. It's immense, man.